Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my vlog. With our breakfast. So both of us are heading to watch a movie. We just booked an Ola. It's 10 a.m. movie. Our hotel that's harboring us today. Booked a cab. Here we are in the main road waiting for a cab. In the cab now, heading to TS Mall. So guys, we reached here. We are in this Times Square Mall. We're heading to watch the movie now. I think very few people are here. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. It's 10 o'clock show. I think they'll show the trailers for at least for another 10 minutes. There's a nice food court out here. Kulfi food. Faluda. Yeah, fifth floor. So we're here. He's right for popcorn. No one is here for the movie. It's only two of us. I'm not a popcorn guy, guys. I don't prefer popcorn. I don't like to munch something while I'm watching a movie. So you got your stuff, huh? You didn't get popcorn? Hey guys, we just got out of the movie hall. It's around 12:30. Movie was nice, a good horror movie. So we're heading to city center out here. Lately, nice horror movies it's not been made. So this one is a pretty nice one. So we've just come out of the mall and we're heading to city center in a Toto out here. It's around 1.8 kilometers from here. Times Square Mall. Pretty good weather. It's not sunny. Perfect weather. Traveling. I've reached city center out here. Walking around. It's early morning. It's pretty nice mall. This I think the second time I've come here. Last I think in February I was here when I'd come for a concert. Yeah guys, so I don't know if we're going to do some window shopping probably and maybe buy something also if we like something. Bye. Hey guys, we are here at Barista Coffee Shop. Friend is ordering coffee and waiting here. Our friends are coming from Shillong, so we're waiting for them. We'll catch up. We have some work after that. We have to go and get some work done after that. Probably have lunch in a bit. Coffee till then. Hey guys, this is my ginger lemon tea. Is it ginger lemon tea, right? Yours what? Just black coffee? Hi guys, this is Kwai. We're drinking is black coffee, Americano. This is ginger lemon tea. Can you give me some insight on this coffee?
It's black.
Apart from that, you like your coffee black, I understand. Anything else? So guys, there's a lot of friendly banter. I have to censor a lot of things also while we are talking. Hey guys, we have come to the food court. I ordered a burger and I've ordered waffles at the moment. Waffles at... let's see how the waffles are. My waffles are here. Let's have a look. It's plain waffles with maple syrup. Try it, no?
Most disgusting thing I've seen in my life.
Yeah. Oh, see? This guy is eating, no? Most disgusting thing, but he's still eating. Guys, it's pretty good. Not so sweet. But they use American Garden maple syrup. I thought they used better ones, but they use the normal one which you get in Amazon and outside. There's not a original maple syrup. That's more like flavored one. I ordered it since thinking that they use the original thing. New York waffles. Where just like plain thing. Can you remove your phone from my screen? Yeah. Good, he just took a bite. He didn't like it. My friend. How is it? Decent, but I don't know. Now we are heading out the mall and now we'll go to get his work done. I think it's 5 kilometers away from here. Now we'll go and get his work done and these guys are coming. So I think by the time we finish our work, I think we'll meet the guys as well. We're done with our lunch. It wasn't so great. The waffles sucked big time and neither the burger from Burger Singh, that wasn't great as well. Nonetheless, I had it because I was hungry. Hey guys, we just done with our work. We had a good deal done and now we're heading back to our hotel, meet our friends. They have reached our hotel. So guys, we are going in an auto. We are heading back to the city, Guwahati. We are around 4 to 5 kilometers away from the city. This is how it looks. भैया आपका नाम क्या है? अर्जुन भैया हमारा टूर गाइड भी है अभी के लिए. Thank you. मिलते हैं फिर. Thank you. Hi guys, my friend Vincent is here and his brother William is here. So they have just come from Shillong. So we are going out to Fancy Market. Kwai is also there. So we all dressed up a little bit. We took a break. We are back. We are back on the road. Going to roam around. What's there in Fancy Market? Anything in here?
And then Brahmaputra.
River.
Yeah.
So okay, so you're going to show us that.
Yeah.
Okay. So he's going to give us a tour of Brahmaputra River and the cafes we're going to have there. So guys, I'll keep you all posted. I'll show you all the videos from there. Bye. See you guys. Nice. Guys, we have crossed the road and we are waiting for the cab here now. We have asked few autos and totos to go to Fancy Bazaar. We haven't got any. I think we are waiting for the cab. Let's see. Hopefully he agrees. I think it's peak hours right now in Guwahati, so it's difficult. Traffic is pretty high. Road once again, man. I don't know what is going on. These guys again and again they're asking us to cross the road. Sometimes cab coming this side of the road. I know. Sometimes that side of the road. Guys, finally we got in the cab. Now we are heading to Fancy Bazaar. Guys, we have reached. We are going to Friends Cafe. I'll show you guys. This is the cafe. Beyond. Spoils. We haven't finished yet. I ordered for French toast. Is not there.
Will come.
We're going to another cafe also after some time next to the river. So I think I'm going to try and eat there. This place, we're entering a restaurant called Machinga. Assamese Naga Khasi Asian food. Show you guys. Yes, we have entered this restaurant called Machinga. It's an ethnic Assamese food restaurant and it's a lovely one. Kwai has come before also, so he has suggested us that we come here and try this food. What are you going to have?
I have Naga smoked pork, fried bamboo shoot.
Which one? The first one?
I think I have curry.
The same one.
Smoked pork curry.
Hey guys, my food has come. So I've ordered this Naga Thali. Guys, gonna have now. I'm having after a long time with my hand. Thank you for the meal. The food was really nice. What's your name again? Okay, alright brother. It was a nice restaurant and I'm going to give you a good review. We have come out of the restaurant. Now we have come to Times Square Mall again. So we are going to this beer cafe. You guys are here. Back here where we watched the movie in the morning. Give you a treat. I'll show you one car. It's pretty nicely modified. Check it out. This car, I think it's Toyota Hilux. Pretty well modified also. Is it road legal? I don't think so. Oh my god, it's pretty nice. We're here, beer cafe. We're going to enter now. Guys, this is the beer cafe. Guys, we are out from beer cafe. So we are again, I don't know where we are heading. We are heading to some of the cafes, another cafe, I guess. So I'll see you guys after some time. So we are here in Royce, that restaurant, and we are here ordering. We are reaching our hotel room. It's around 2:30 at night. So this is our place. I hope you're still watching and enjoying this vlog. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.